Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can disable notifications on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Facebook or in Android, or it doesn't matter, you want to hold the Facebook button and then you're going to see next to disable is app information. Let's click on it. And right here you want to scroll down below and then you're going to see app settings here, and then you're going to see notifications. Click on it. And now disable notifications, or you can disable specific notifications like your account, comments, tags, reminders, friend requests, or like only video. But I recommend disabling everything like this. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can disable notifications in Facebook. And right now, when you would have anything, any notification, you wouldn't be notified. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.